Maximizing business growth, unpacking CEO coaching ROI. Effective CEO coaching boosts both personal and organizational success by refining leadership skills, benefiting the entire team. The key to its effectiveness is customization. Coaching should be tailored to specific needs and goals, making outcomes both aspirational and achievable. Remember, impactful results require time, consistent effort, and continuous assessment. When done well, coaching can be transformative, enhancing personal development and boosting company performance. Executive and CEO coaching statistics. Today's executive leadership landscape reveals significant engagement with coaching services. Approximately 58% of top-tier leaders have utilized a coach at least once in their careers. This trend isn't solely about personal growth, but also mirrors organizational priorities. According to the Conference Board, 52% of organizations now offer some form of executive or CEO-level coaching, indicating a proactive approach to cultivating better leadership rather than waiting for issues to emerge. Growth potential through coaching. Executives and businesses invest in personal development because it yields significant returns. According to the International Coach Federation, 96% of participants saw improved performance after coaching. Additionally, Harvard Business Review research indicates that companies with regular one-on-one coaching for senior leaders experience double the average revenue growth rates compared to those without such programs. Thus, executive and CEO coaching benefits both individual skills and overall business performance. Unpacking the benefits of CEO coaching. CEO coaching boosts leadership skills, enhancing decision-making and strategic planning, which increases ROI. It improves productivity and efficiency across the organization, offering fresh perspectives and unbiased guidance. Tailored coaching aligns leadership with company goals, fostering better interpersonal dynamics and sustainable success. CEOs who engage in coaching often outperform their peers. Unlock business growth with CEO coaching. A great CEO coach will help the CEO develop an effective strategy to achieve success. With the help of a coach, CEOs can navigate the complexities of their roles and formulate winning strategies. The benefits of planning with a coach. A coach provides fresh perspectives and identifies areas for improvement, helping CEOs set clear objectives and outline steps to achieve them. Coaching promotes a mindset of responsibility and enhances decision-making skills. To maintain a competitive edge, CEOs must engage in continuous learning and development.
I'm offering a complimentary coaching session to CEOs. If you're accepted, you'll receive a one-on-one coaching session with me at absolutely no cost or obligation. Due to my current commitments, I'm only able to accept a modest number of requests for coaching. During the coaching session, we'll immediately go to work and address your highest priority challenges. You will walk away with ways to begin solving your biggest problems. And you'll get a sense for whether or not we're a fit for each other. To see if you qualify for this coaching session, visit the website currently showing on your screen, or click the link in the description below. Thank you.
Maximizing ROI through coaching. Coaching significantly enhances ROI, with research by Metrics Global LLC showing a return of $7.90 for every dollar spent on executive coaching. Benefits include improved leadership and increased productivity. As the role of a CEO evolves with market and technological changes, coaching aids in self-evaluation and provides an external perspective to navigate new challenges confidently. Measure results. As a CEO who has invested in coaching, evaluating whether this investment is yielding the desired improvements in leadership or financial performance is crucial. Establish clear expectations for the coaching relationship, similar to setting standards for punctuality or contributions at a party. Assess if these expectations are being met. Evaluating your reactions and responses. Your initial reactions to progress or setbacks can be instinctive, potentially elevating stress levels. It's important to distinguish between automatic reactions and deliberate responses. Gauging progress regularly. Encountering challenges such as business downturns or unexpected obstacles doesn't equate to failure. Regular self-evaluations are essential, allowing for reflection on the journey since the first coaching session. This regular check-in helps navigate difficulties effectively, maintain focus on initial goals, and possibly reframe perspectives on the challenges faced. FAQs in relation to CEO coaching ROI. Is CEO coaching profitable for the CEO? Absolutely. CEO coaching often leads to enhanced leadership skills, increased productivity, and improved decision-making abilities that can boost a company's bottom line. How do you calculate ROI for coaching? The ROI of coaching is typically calculated by comparing the cost of the investment in the coach with the monetary benefits gained from improved performance. What is the ROI of coaching according to Harvard Business Review? The Harvard Business Review reported an average return on investment, ROI, from executive coaching between $4 and $8 for every dollar invested. What are the benefits of CEO coaching? CEO coaching enhances leadership capabilities, improves decision-making, and boosts employee satisfaction and morale, ultimately leading to business growth and maximized profits. My name is Glenn Gao. I love coaching CEOs and want to help make you an even better CEO. Let's decide if we are a fit for each other. Schedule a time to talk with me now. I look forward to speaking with you soon.